Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kalami ka Ïania hapdeng kinong let nongwan bat ki bod district haki than pulo namar ka jing Shah khang yaki kali ban yan nadu shposteng bejemen step ki pulit kim shim Shah shu yaki kali bawan na ki than laumali bandrung shaki than pulo bat kane kala penong ka jing theng kali ka bajur baha lai ba ki driver bat ki riu Paidbah ki Ïania bat ki Magistrate kani ka jing khang yaki kali ban yat kadai namar bawan menteri katnat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng Amit Shah Shillong ban penya ya ka jingyalang 73rd plenary jong ka North Eastern Council ha State Convention Center.
Notification. There was no notification. No, why? There was no notification. You declare state holiday. You declare state holiday. No, this is not fair. Whoever is coming, this is not fair for us. Whoever is there on time, this is not fair on time. All the taxis have to be on time. Why should I lose my time? This is not fair. There is no notification on road block. No notification. Yes. We are not voting like this. We are not voting for like this. This is not fair enough for us. This is not fair. This is not fair. We are voting for that. This is not fair. We are there. This is not fair. We are going to reach our work, please. That's not the only fight. We have to understand. If we are suffering, then this person should not belong Home Minister.
Once we reach office very late, we will be transferred to remote places. We will have us at that time.
Just few minutes.
We have to be patient. Bear with us for few minutes.
We are also asked.
That is why we need
to be very honest. We didn't get anything. Pelat ini ngadu meneh nilai absa. Kemudian supun absa baik. Saban pun ikan sabat. Long dakia sodo kata-kata. Lihat ni ke surak rahasia. Lani I will state holiday lah biar. Ini song biar hiam. Naik pun kurang baik. Kamdi ka pakai ini hiru bah HP kam HP ye. Tolong kata VIP culture mut kalau ayah hadukan tu. Kinong punya tu beli kilong stupid hadukan ikan dia. Beli kilong illiterate hadukan ikan ni kidan haka buar kidan haka an tambah kilong illiterate sebab palat. Ha? Kapur kimia dan KK kimia dan. Kia suya bat sabit penap sabit my depth tu. Paidbah tu. My depth tu. Ya you. Madiam nilera ka kam jungim dera. Tangga kam ni sia ka biang. Kam jungi tim nilera.
Pwede ba kami hato pikal ka piyon kina bala ka penla penmi na menunjuk pisan konon ong ban ai
Kami rasa. Ini ba yang hana bala pen benata kami ngingi pet kuan ba. Mi ira dong taruh.
Hato kini ba di ka jing fele jong ka distribution la ning sarkar manong magham ai
Kani ka jing filia jong sistem, ka jing filia jong kinong penya jong ka bor jong ka an. And plus kataru kani kalalong kumbali don bor. Kila ayu long kumba misuse ka pawa. Abli kilong liat don bor siya ki pen selang ingi Paidbah kum dia. Dalor linti sengkin ru baret. Bat menta tang na kada ta VIP mut suya yang sa ang ne. Nadu men yang kenal ne. Poy ni la spau Sepotam, hadu mentang ngidang yang sang ni, berkati. Mentala kan tu. Mentala kau posting oi. Sepau sau po mentah. Tong pi. Kan ni dia Shah kalau stupid sama pala kan ni kalau pun klik ha.
5 minutes mentala ada sama 5 minutes.
Di up 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Easily they can fly, okay? Our public is not going to throw one stone also to Amit sir. Why he is afraid of so much? And why he is blocking road? If we are not going to pay 1 day, late fee is there for GST. And now he is blocking half an hour is this road. Who will pay that half an hour payment? Each and every minute is there is money. They think they need only money. We are like puppet. Don't you see like the government or the situation they feel because they don't give the notification also. There was no notification publicly. I didn't receive any notification. Otherwise I could have stayed at home only. So what do you have to say about this? Better to vote for change. Vote for change for 2028. Why should
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing sedang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura katkom kajok ka bamta ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka job ki urlong, but ki galalong ka shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang syakalaway bacok.